Hello my dear students, today's TMUA question is from a very important topic, the transformations of functions and minimum points. In TMUA, many questions test whether you understand how graphs shifts and stretch, how the minimum point changes and how to use the vertex form efficiently. Now let's solve this step by step. The question is, it is given that fx is equal to x square minus 6x. The curves y is equal to fkx and y is equal to fx minus c have the same minimum point where k greater than 0 and c greater than 0. Now find the correct expression for k in terms of c. Now first find the minimum of fx. Given fx is equal to x square minus 6x. Now complete the square. X square minus 6x plus 9 minus 9, that is x minus 3 whole square minus 9. So the minimum occurs at x is equal to 3. Minimum point will be 3 minus 9. Okay. Now this is a horizontal scaling. Okay. For fx minimum occurs when input is equal to 3. So for fkx, kx is equal to what? 3 or x is equal to 3 by k. Now minimum value at still minus 9. So minimum point is what? Minimum point is 3 by k and minus 9. Now minimum point of y is equal to fx minus c we have to calculate. Now this is a horizontal shift to the right by c. Okay, so original minimum at x is equal to 3. So the new minimum is x minus c is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3 plus c. So minimum point becomes 3 plus c and minus 9. Now the question says both curves have the same minimum point. So x coordinates must be equal. So 3 by k is equal to 3 plus c. Now multiply both sides by k. So 3 is equal to k into 3 plus c or k is equal to what? 3 by 3 plus c. Okay. So the final answer for this question will be k is equal to 3 by c plus 3. Okay. Now this question tests 3 key ideas. Okay. First is what? The vertex form. Always convert quadratics to x minus a whole square plus b. This vertex is immediately visible. Now second is the transformation. For transformation, if x minus c, fx on minimum will be shifts right by c. Okay. Now for fkx, minimum occurs when kx is equal to original minimum input. Okay. Students often confuse this. So this is very important. And number 3 is what? Number 3 is TMUA strategy. Okay. Now instead of expanding, find where the input equals the original minimum input and compare x coordinates directly. This saves lots of time. Now some common mistakes which students often do. First, try to expand both the function. This wastes time. Forget that fkx changes the input and equate y values instead of x values. So remember, same minimum point, same x coordinate and same y value. Okay. Now quick summary. Original minimum at x is equal to 3. Now for f kx, x is equal to 3 by k. For f x minus c, x is equal to 3 plus c. So now equate, solve and answer. Okay, so today we learned how to find the minimum using completing the square, handle function transformation and solve quickly using the vertex logic. This type of transformation question is very common in TMUA. Remember, in TMUA, understanding the graph is faster than doing the algebra. In next session, we will solve another high frequency TMUA problem on inequalities or sequences. Okay, so see you in the next video. I hope this solution is clear to you. If there is any doubt, you can ask me directly to the comment section. I'll reply back to you. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.